Hi, Dr. Jennifer Smith here again. Do you ever find that you struggle to find the time to implement, train new processes or procedures in your practice? Do you feel like your time with your team can sometimes be limited because you spend all of your time with your patients? Stay tuned, we're going to talk about a simple solution to solve those problems. A woman who is a dentist or a dental specialist, then you should subscribe to this channel and hit that bell so you get notified every single Tuesday that new content is out to help you grow your perfect practice. If you haven't checked out my video on team huddles, now would be a good time to do that because we're going to talk today about monthly team meetings, and these two things are related to one another. They are both great touch points with your team. I highly recommend a monthly team meeting for at least half a day with your entire team to talk about all of the wonderful, amazing things you are doing in your practice and for your patients. When these meetings are done well, they're going to increase your efficiency and your productivity, and they are going to boost team morale. Investing time in your team will pay dividends in the future. So this is critical to the success of your practice. There are 3 items that I think are critical to an effective team meeting. These are not the only 3, but they should be in every single one. Item number 1, you must have an agenda. Please don't wing it. Ever. It is very easy to get caught down a little rabbit hole of one person talking about what they want to talk about at a team meeting if you don't have an agenda. Make sure you have sat down and thought about specifically what you want to cover, and you have written it down and you can distribute it to the team before that team meeting. Now you can have an area in there for new business if someone needs to bring something up, but I highly recommend that it is very structured so that when conversation gets off topic, it's very easy to pull everybody back in to the agenda. Number 2, in every team meeting, you should be talking about something new or ongoing that your team is working on. There should be a focus to that meeting. In my office, we tend to theme our team meetings a little bit. So the focus may be on one rule that we're all trying to work on. We work a lot on communication in our office, and so we may have a team meeting that is focused around positive communication. And so everything we do in that meeting is around that because it is an initiative that we are very focused on. Team meetings are the perfect place to do trainings on things that are brand new to your practice or things that are critically important that you are continually working on. Use that time to up everybody's skill level. Does your team meet monthly? I'm curious. Down in the comments below, leave me a note on how often your team meets to talk about all the important things in your practice. Number 3. You must review past initiatives. I think this is the most important thing you should be doing at a team meeting. As I keep talking about, if we write down all of the things we're working on, then it is important to go back and review them with your team. If you introduce something and then never speak of it again, you can guarantee that everyone will slide back into whatever is normal and habitual for them. You must take the time in every team meeting to review past meetings, initiatives, or trainings to see how it went. By reviewing all of those oh so important things that you talked about in previous meetings, your team knows that they are important to you and that it matters to you that those things get accomplished. No further discussion about a topic means it clearly is not important, and your team will see it as such. If you want them to do all of those awesome things you've asked them to do, you must let them know that you are watching and that it is important to you by talking about it again and again. If you set your meetings up with this type of structure and you do it every single time you have a team meeting, your team will know that this is what they should expect. There will be no surprises, and people going off track will happen less and less because they know what the focus of that meeting is. I hope you got some helpful tips from this video. It would be great if you subscribe to this channel, Like this video and leave a comment below. I can't wait to see you next time with more content to help you grow your perfect practice.